I'm going to be cooking up some chorizo and egg burritos today. I'm using pork chorizo. They also sell it in beef. And I'll be using about 3 eggs. Okay, I cut a portion of the chorizo and that's what I'll be using. I'll be using 3 eggs. I got some oil in a pan that's heating up. You don't need a lot of oil. The chorizo is going to produce its own oil. So you can put just a little bit. I'm going to run it on a little under medium on the stove to cook it, and I'll show you more here in a minute. I'm just going to squeeze the chorizo in the pan like that and let it start cooking. It'll break down. It's a solid form somewhat right now. As you cook, it'll break down. That's normal. Okay, I cracked 3 eggs in a bowl, and I'm going to be scrambling them up. Voila, they're scrambled. I'm just going to break it down a little bit, mix it around, get everything cooking. As you can see, from the form it was in now, it's starting to break down. It'll get really to a fluid consistency or a runny consistency, which is normal. You didn't do nothing wrong. And you'll just let it cook like that. Like I said, be patient with it. Don't burn it. So, there we go. Okay, it's cooking up nicely. Just keep stirring it a little bit. Keep it cooking evenly. I'm going to add in the eggs right now. And I'm just going to mix in the chorizo and the eggs. Let them cook. Pretty much getting done right there. Got a tortilla on the comal back here, heating up. We're about ready to eat. Okay, here we go. I got the tortilla done, heated up. The chorizo on there. I added cheese. You can add cheese if you want. Cheese goes good with everything. You can add beans, potatoes, rice, anything you want with this. And you can also eat it like a dinner dish or a breakfast dish with chorizo and eggs and beans and rice, or beans and potatoes, and eat it that way also. If you got any questions, just ask them on the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching.